Hey, what's up, you all? It's one back on the channel, and we're back once again on Demolition Derby 2. So, the car we are going to be looking at is the Kitt Retro, which is based on a 1982 to 84 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. So, buying it of 7,500, and I can paint this one in any color I want. You know what? I'm going for that classic Knight Rider look because this car, it was featured in the Knight Rider movie, and it was named Kitt, and the Kitt stands for Knight Industries 2000, I believe. And this car was it's like it's it's kind of indestructible. I have not seen much of that movie. So the rim or the wheel, I think I'm going to put this wheel on the car. And now the engine options. Why they all have why in the world do they all have the same engine options? That's kind of unfair. So buying a nitrous of 2 grand and the 7.0 liter engine of 4 grand, I'm always like, why do all these, uh, why do like, why do every car in this game have the same engine? I genuinely don't know why. And I'm going to take it to a race. I think I'm going to do the backyard run track. The backyard run. I'm sorry if I sound like a girl, but I'm actually a boy. And then I'm going to do max opponents. And I think I want to do 6 laps. But the problem is they don't tell you the length. So we'll see how this goes. Oh no. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold on. When am I recording this? Okay, it's Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025 on 12:38 p.m. And I'm recording this on 12:38 p.m. Okay. Okay, so yeah, what are you guys up to? And yesterday, yesterday Tuesday, which was 5th of August, like 2025, it was actually my little brother's birthday, and he is actually now 3 years old. And okay. I don't have much to say about that. Dude, this track is really short. It's the shortest track in the game. Oh, dude, this is very, very short track. It's a really, really short track. And I'm getting my doors blown off by everybody. Oh no. I might not win this because I am getting my doors blown off by like everyone. Not everyone, but most of these guys. Most of these guys, yep. I will at least take third. I will at least take second. Because I will at least take second place here. Okay, I'm in first. Oh, you again, no, get back here, you. Back off, you guys. That nitrous just made me like, the nitrous. Okay, the nitrous just made me pull ahead of these guys. Final lap. And this track is really short. This is like the shortest track in the game. So why didn't the devs why didn't they tell you the length of the track per lap? I hope so DG3 or Demolition Derby 3 does, because sometimes these tracks can be very short and sometimes they can be very long. Oh no. Okay, I took second place. I don't know how I did. I'm going to watch the replay. Like, how did I come in second? I did not see that. Okay. You can also like speed up the replay. That is kind of cool. And I think it was a photo finish or something. It was probably a photo finish. We'll have to see. It was probably the photo finish. Okay, I don't think I know how this happened. Okay, it was because of. Okay, I don't know how that happened. Okay, I think it was here. I did not see that. I'm going to like slow it down. Oh no, I think I just went too far in the corners. I'm going to slow down. I think if you okay, I think I want to see the photo modem. Okay, we were like okay. I think I was way too far there, and this guy just took the inside. So that is why I lost. Okay, then. But this car is a really good car for racing. Uh, so far, I hope you enjoyed the video. But no. Next car in line is going to be the Victoria Taxi, which it's based on a 1998 to 2000 Ford Crown Victoria, I believe, because you know look at the lines and look at the design. It's really like it's very 1998 of Ford Crown Victoria. And now I know what this car, the Casino Retro, is. It's actually it's based on I looked it up, and I looked it up from internet game internet game cars database, or I think it was that, and they called this car it was in 1977 to 79 Cadillac sedan DeVille, or I don't know how to pronounce that. And also I want to see what the this free button does. Okay, it gives you the daily rewards, your daily rewards, which gives you at least 1500. I'm gonna claim that, and I have 6,953 coins. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts on what you like or hate about this car, the Kitt Retro, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is One signing out. Peace you all.